Hello everyone, I am Sadhana Shrestha, a student of Electronics Communication and Information at Kantipur Engineering College, a leading institution providing quality education since 1998. KEC is where innovative ideas meet right environment. Our functional and well-equipped laboratories with dedicated and professional faculty members is the core strength of KEC. Students can share their doubts and share their ideas to any faculty member at any time that enhance our knowledge and helps to manage our time effectively. KEC helps us to participate in national and international competition related to engineering theme that allows us to face real-life challenges through such activities. Nepal's first automation lab is installed in KEC that enhance numerous benefits regarding automation, power electronics. To nurture and strengthen students' academic journey and their hard work, every year KEC organizes KEC conference, technical exhibition, light and publish international journals. We are graced with guest lecture from national and international experts on regular basis. The college also provides internal and external training sessions and field visits to relate our theoretical knowledge with real life. In my 2 years at KEC, I can proudly say that choosing Kantipur Engineering College for my electronics communication and information studies is one of the best decisions I have ever made. Thank you.